Meaning of freethinker.
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 Freethinker. A freethinker is someone who forms their opinions and beliefs based on reason, logic, and evidence rather than tradition or authority. They are not beholden to any particular religious, political, or social ideology, and instead rely on their own critical thinking skills to guide their understanding of the world. Freethinkers are often interested in exploring new ideas and challenging prevailing norms and conventions. By embracing intellectual freedom and rejecting dogma, freethinkers promote individual autonomy and the pursuit of truth through rational inquiry.